Where to watch The Day of the Jackal. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a brand new episode of Where to Watch. So today's video I'll be showing you different platform where you could actually watch or stream The Day of the Jackal. So I'm gonna use a browser so that it's easy for you guys to locate the application, locate the platform where you could actually go ahead and watch it out. So for that you want to open up a browser, and on the web address bar you want to type in The Day of the Jackal. So when you actually go ahead and type in the information, you could see it's available on Peacock TV. So likewise, if you scroll down a bit, you could also find different platforms such as Amazon Prime, or you could see Just Watch, and then you could also find it on Sky TV or Business Insiders, on Disney Plus, and then you could go ahead and watch it on Apple TV as well. Now if you have any of these accounts, you simply go ahead and press the link and you could start watching the show. So that's the way you could go ahead and watch the movie or the show. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.